Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Quickly, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you are new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. What I want to do here is just focus on a single level here, which I'll explain. And this level is important because, first off, let me just state the obvious. The price made a very, very impressive movement today. I mean, you stop and think about where the price closed on Tuesday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price managed to close on the day. That was definitely a very impressive bounce, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And it all revolves around this update here, right at 84. And this update is based on a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 84. If the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote unquote, progress, I'm defining as that $84 mark. What about levels of resistance going forward? The key level to now watch is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and that level is currently valued at 93.68. Although keyword to remember, moving. So as the as Thursday and Friday play out, that line is going to move itself downwards, and therefore that value is also going to drop downwards, in value itself. So keep an eye on that. There we go. There's the arrow I was looking for. So that value is going to be changing. So you'll have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader to keep an inventory check on what that value is. But all in all, no doubt about it, the bounce is underway. Now everything has just shifted to the question of, is there some true power behind this bounce? Is there some genuine strength? Let's see if the price can start making signs of progress or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.